目前东区前3的塞尔提克在交易截止日前出手，与公牛完成交易，送出 Simmons 换回2届全明星中锋 Vucevic， 补上薄弱的禁区战力，朝东区第1迈进。至于公牛，则是在同一天还与灰狼与活塞完成3方交易，补进 Jaden Ivey 与老将 Mike Conley， 活塞则拿下射手 Kevin Huerter 12率以及选秀互换。表面上灰狼为换回球员，但送走康利后，成功降到第1奢侈税线以下，豪华税大幅减轻，被视为追逐 Giannis Antetokounmpo 预做财务铺路。另外，勇士那边在争夺字母哥也是相当积极，甚至传出要将4冠功臣 Draymond Green 打包送走。
Play Thursday, maybe not. We'll see. So it's business as usual for me, though. But I think a lot of people want to know like how I feel about it. Like, am I upset about it, or like I'm not at all? Like, I don't. If that's what's best for this organization, that's what's best for the organization. I'm not like, oh man, they fucked me over or something like that. Like, I don't really feel that way. I don't know that it ends at 13.5, but if it does, what a fucking run it's been. I'll take the fine for it. What a fucking run it's been.
随着交易截止日进入倒数计时，嘴绿是否会转队，无疑将牵动整个联盟的关注目光。因为一旦他的名字真的出现在交易名单上，象征的恐怕不只是一次阵容调整，而是那个缔造勇士王朝的时代正式走向尾声。后续发展将会如何？所有答案很快就会揭晓。未来体育台综合报道。
Barclays Center. Q has 18, 14 for Furby. And here's Q.
Finish on a bump. Finish on a bump.
Marking in down the lane. 27 for Lowry.
First that they forced, but they have just picked apart on both ends of the floor so far.
Nance already with 7 turnovers.
And taken away by Hauser. Up ahead, Sharman racing with Flag to the rim. Oh, Flag erased it up top. 15 to shoot. Hauser, pull, and he's fouled.
To your point, Sarah, just the 9th game with James Doncic and Reeves as Williams reverses the alley-oop home.
A beautiful play.
And he settled for jumpers prior to that. There's the cut. Joe with the left hand. Nothing but power. That's it.
How the guys in the crew changes tires, and there's just so many people that are responsible for the success.
People don't realize how much of the team sport it truly is.
Yeah. I wish you the best of luck. I will probably see you in May in the yard of bricks.
This is Kispert. He's a good three-point shooter. 6 on the shot clock. Look out. Johnson with a terrific drive and finish.
He is a great finisher. Maybe one of the best finishers in the league with that athleticism at 6'9" at the rim.
Great job by Grayson Allen keeping that basketball going.
Defying gravity!
My goodness.